Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to another cool YouTube video. So guys, today's video is a very special video because we are going to be doing a collab with Dheeraj Jain. So this is how the collab is going to work. I am going to be doing the performance and he is going to be teaching you the trick later in the second half of this video. Yeah, so that being said, let's jump right into the performance. Alright guys, for this trick we need the help of the top 4 cards, in this case the 4 queens, just like that. Yeah, so now we don't need them for now, so we are going to be placing them right over here. And to move further with the trick we need a prediction, yeah, a secret prediction. So I am going to be making a prediction, let's say this one, yeah, just like that. So as you can see, all the cards are completely face down. Okay, all the cards are face down as you can see. So this card, my prediction, is going to be the only face down card in the entire deck. Okay, so we are going to place it right over here, and to further lose it into the middle of the pack, we can give it a nice quick cut, just like that. Yeah, so now to further move on with the trick, we are going to be needing a selection. Yeah, so I would ask my spectator to call out stop wherever they wish. Let's say they stop over here. Yeah, so I would be asking them that they have two options, jack of spades or the 5 of diamonds. Let's say they choose the jack of spades. Yeah, so now we are going to be taking the jack of spades just like that, and we are going to be putting them with the other 4 queens just like that. Yeah, so this is right over here, and now we have 5 cards just like that. Yeah, but now just with a little magical wave just like that, you will see that now we have only 1 2 3 4 cards, and hopefully your card has disappeared because all the cards which remain are the 4 queens as we started, just like that. So now the question is, where has your card gone? So in the very beginning I made a prediction. Yeah, if you remember, I made a prediction. What if that prediction happens to be your chosen card, the jack of spades? And that is the cut, guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you know, this is a collaboration with King of Decks and myself, Dheeraj Jain. Will be teaching you the trick that you just saw in the start of the video. So for this trick, you will be needing a regular deck of cards, and just take out the 4 queens over here. You can take the kings or the jacks or the aces also, but in this case, I have taken the 4 queens. Okay, just take the 4 queens and just spread it like this, so the spectator can see the clearly 4 queens like this. You just need to align the deck with the first card, first or the last card. In this case, it's Queen of Diamond. You just need to align the card on the top of the deck and just need to grab that one. The top 3 cards, just square it and just put it over here. The spectator will be thinking that there are 4 cards, but eventually there are only 3 queens over here. You can see the Queen of Diamonds is still on the top, and now just give a swing cut to the entire deck. Now just flip the deck and you tell the spectator ki I will be selecting a random card over here, but this time you will be getting the Queen of Diamonds out and just place at the table. The spectator don't know which card it is, but you know the Queen of Diamonds is this. You take the card and just place it somewhere inside the deck and show the spectator that there is a card which is face down. While you are showing this, you have to take a pinky break on this card. In this case, it's a 4 of hearts. You take the pinky break on the 4 of hearts and just square up all the thing and maintain the pinky break. Now you just need to control that break on the bottom of the deck. Now the order of the deck will be, all the cards are normal, and just the second last card will be face down, and then a random card. In this case, it's a 4 of hearts which is facing up. Now what you have to do, just take the pinky break on the bottom 2 cards, okay, like this. You just transfer all the things to the right hand and do a swing cut, and now peel one by one cards like this and tell spectator to stop anywhere they want. So for example, spectator stops at 3 of spades. So just take the 3 of spades and flip it around and just push it upward, and while you are pushing it, just drop the 2 cards which you are holding on the pinky break on the top of it and just turn around. Here spectator should not notice that you have added 2 cards over here. Okay, now just push down the 3 of spades and drop the queen which was facing downwards on this deck. Square all the things and just put it on the table. Take all the queens over here and do a false count so that spectator thinks there are 4 queens, and the false count begins like this: 1 2 3 and 4. The spectator will think there are 4 queens till now. Now take the card which is on the table and put it over here. Now just snap your fingers and show them there are only 4 cards, which are the 4 queens over here, and their selected card, which was 3 of spades, is missing. And you can close up the trick by spreading the deck and showing that the only card which is facing up is the selected card of the spectator, which is 3 of spades. तो यार आई होप आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आई रहेगी, एंड ये से अगर वीडियो पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करके जाना. एंड ऑल्सो जितने लोग हमारे चैनल से आए हैं तो प्लीज़ सपोर्ट किंग ऑफ डेक्स, बिकॉज वो बहुत ज़्यादा करीब है 300 सब्सक्राइबर्स के, तो प्लीज़ थोड़ा उन्हें सपोर्ट कर देना. ऑल्सो यू गाइज कैन चेक आउट माई यूट्यूब चैनल धीरज जैन, वेयर आई मेक मैजिक व्लॉग्स एंड अदर टाइप्स ऑफ कॉमेडी वीडियोज़.